I'm going to relive some memories today with 3 MyArcade microplayer arcade machines. I've got Gallagher, I've got Pac-Man, and I've got a personal favourite of mine, Dig Dug. Now I've shown you Gallagher and Pac-Man in a previous video. I'll leave a link to that up here and down below. So today we're going to take a closer look at Dig Dug. So as I mentioned earlier, I have shown you both Pac-Man and Gallagher in a previous video, and they're both absolutely amazing. There's a link down below to that video. So without further ado, let's take a look at Dig Dug. So this is the MyArcade micro player, and this is the Dig Dug version, and it looks absolutely stunning, like a real mini arcade machine. We've of course got the 4-way control on the top with the little joystick here. We've got a reset button, start button, and also a pump button. This is the main display, which I'll show you working in a short while. On the side, we've got the graphics on the side of the arcade machine, and around the back, we've got some extra bits and pieces. So we've got the compartment here, which you put 4 AA batteries in. If you don't want to use AA batteries, you can power this via micro USB. We've also got a speaker on the back, and then we've got volume controls, and we've also got 3.5mm headphone jack. And then of course on the opposing side, we've got some more graphics. Now where you would normally put your coins in to your arcade machine, this is the power on off button. We push this in to start the micro player going. I think all 3 of these are really nice mini arcade machines. They really do bring back some memories, and you can quite easily put them on the table to play, as you saw me do, or you can even hand hold them. They're very well made, they're absolutely accurate to the original games, and I thoroughly love them. There are others in the series as well, and I'll leave a link down below to the MyArcade website for you to check out for yourself. Thank you very much for watching. Please do hit that like button. Please do leave me some comments down below as well, and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video very soon.